Do you want to know what the difference is between cropped and uncropped stickers? Then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Tas from Presh Plan, and today I'm going to show you the difference between pre-cropped and uncropped stickers when it comes to digital planning. But before we get started, let me just clarify what a digital sticker is for anyone wondering if you are new to digital planning. A digital sticker is just an image that serves the same purpose of a traditional plan sticker. So you can use it to decorate your pages, to add color, or to make something stand out inside your digital planner. And a digital plan sticker can be used indefinitely because you can copy and paste as many times as you wish. And you can use in other planners or documents too. Digital stickers are often PNG files because this format allows for transparent background, so the stickers don't have a white border around them. And here are the 3 ways that you might receive your digital plan stickers when purchasing from a seller or downloading online. You can get them as uncropped sticker sheets, cropped PNG files, and pre-cropped sticker books. But how exactly do they differ from each other? Let me show you with a few examples. Let's start with an uncropped sticker sheet. As you can see from this image, it is one file with several stickers inside. When you receive stickers like this, you have to crop your stickers yourself. You can't use any of these stickers on their own before you do the cropping. And how do you do that? Well, luckily, most digital planning apps will give you the ability of cropping stickers. Here in GoodNotes, for instance, I can use the lasso tool to make a copy of this file and then use the image tool to crop this image by adjusting the lines around the image that I want to use. When I'm done, I will be left with this one cropped sticker that I can resize and copy and paste in different documents. To crop every single image in this sheet would take me quite some time because I have to do the exact same process for every single image. And that is the reason why many sellers, including myself, provide the digital stickers already pre-cropped because it makes it a lot easier for you to insert them in your digital planner. So what are cropped stickers? They are basically just the stickers on their own. They are the image separate from the sticker sheet. Here in this file, I have this bunch of cropped PNG file stickers. I can just drop them inside my digital planner, then resize and organize them one by one quickly. This is a lot easier than having to crop them from the sticker sheet. However, I still need to import them to my digital planner. And the third way that you can get your stickers is through pre-cropped sticker books. You might have seen sellers calling it GoodNotes sticker books or pre-cropped stickers for GoodNotes. You import these stickers as a GoodNote document, so it is just basically a notebook with all the pre-cropped images inside. But because the document comes already in a format that your application can read, you don't have to import the stickers one by one. The stickers are ready to use. From here, you can use the lasso tool to select several stickers in one go and paste them wherever you want. And you can also use in other documents too. So this is by far the easiest way to get a large amount of stickers in your library. You often see sticker books like these for GoodNotes, but the reality is that you can make digital sticker books in any other note-taking app such as NoteShelf and Notability. If you're interested in learning how to create these digital sticker books, check my video where I walk you through how to create and export them.